Hey everyone, Ken from K Flynn, the Real Fan here. Hey, took a quick ride out to Strasburg Railroad and got some quick shots of number 89 running some of their trains today. Today they had the murder mystery train, which I was on earlier. But I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see if I have any content out. Hit that notification bell as well. But hope you enjoy the video. Strasburg right now. It's a very windy day out here. It's a little chilly, so get some good steam shots here coming out of the smokestack. So let's enjoy as she hits Carpenter's Crossing. Yeah, a lot of wind here. So still nice and windy out here. Wind for 89 at Lineside Road. This is one of my favorite spots to catch these locomotives. I haven't caught 89 yet. There's come here with this shot. So let's take a listen and wait for it to come on.